Bro, hurry up and get here already. Literally, my guy, hurry up. Bro's been in there for like a minute, 2 minutes. What's happening? I mean, I know it's a lot of stuff, but is it that much stuff? Come on. Also, my windows are completely clean. It's finally here. Let's go. It's probably a bunch of mounts. Okay. Okay. There we are. So first I'm going to take the cooler out of here. Oh, wow. Oh, boy. It's an expensive box. Why is everything so rattly? So, I want to see how high quality it is. Just by the weight, though, it can't be too bad. So that's pretty cool. This thing has no RGB. This company doesn't even sell RGB. They're value brand or whatever. So here's all the mounting stuff. They gave us thermal paste. I'm gonna trust it. It looks fine. Screwdriver, very nice. I would have to. No, I have my trusty screwdriver right over here. If I remember correctly. Yeah, see? AK620. Supposed to be, you know, really cool. And look at this. It's all copper, covered in zinc. Wow. This thing has so much heat density. It's so hot from being outside. Cool, cool, cool. Look at this. Okay, so this temporary stick it back in its box. Move that off screen. Let's go. I'm so excited. Okay, I'm actually. Oh man. That looks familiar. The chat is like kind of not synced very well. What's this? Oh, this is the Wi-Fi. For that Wi-Fi, I mean. So it is tough, which did add some price, but I personally feel like there's still. Is that a driver disc? Those are still things. Okay then. I mean, I guess it's sort of important to get Wi-Fi drivers. But, I'll just use Ethan. Okay, so what I'm actually really excited to see if this has a CPU cooler in it. Because if it does, I at least can build it tonight. And special. Like, this is awesome. This is so awesome. Yeah, that's a cooler. Okay, awesome. I didn't pay extra for it, though. I got the cheapest one. CPU just wedged right there. Doesn't specifically matter. No pins. Staring at every single piece every single day, you know? What's that? It's pre-applied thermal paste with no sticker over it. I'm gonna wipe that off. I'll have to go get a... What? They didn't even give us the big one. There's two sizes of these. This is the smaller one. It does have RGB, which is cool. Not too bad. NH15 for half the price. That's my stream. Is it like glitchy or whatever? Because I'm gonna re-download this later, so I don't want it to be too glitchy. All around, be careful. Like, I've done so much research. I'm probably like skipping a step and I'm gonna remember later. Which is like not something good to say, especially under these circumstances. But don't worry, I'm being careful. Oh my god. Wow. But then not fit. But in the instructions it's obviously the new updated version with the LGA 1700. So yeah, it fits. Just like that. Ra-da-da-da-da. Do-do-do-do-do-do. Okay. Oh! I scared myself doing that. Okay, it's in. Okay. I know you're supposed to have to put a lot of pressure on these, and most people don't like putting that much pressure. But, oh, man, this is a little bit more than I had first assumed. Nothing broke, that was just this popping off. It's all good. You're supposed to leave that on as a precaution. What the hell? Okay. Uh-oh. I touched it. Right there, man. Okay, and this will screw in the back plate more as well, so don't worry. This is not straight. Okay, that's interesting. Not tight. Oh. That one's already so tight. Let's put it in a little bit tight. Nothing too much. I mean, it obviously has a stopping point. There's no play in anything, so I'm just putting it to a stopping point. Okay, so doesn't really matter as much on the outsides, but it says to do a grid star pattern, so I'm going to do a grid star pattern. Looking good so far. Yeah, so obviously spins this way, and we're pushing air out the back of the case, so I put it in this way. I'm only gonna have one in for just testing, because believe it or not, the BIOS isn't that resource intensive. And I'm good. Oh, it just, okay. There we are. Nice and good. And now just this. Ooh, still nice and clean. I kind of cleaned it off, not that well though, because this is the RTX 3070. Sexy and strong and powerful, and has never gone over like 2% load. Believe it or not, are y'all still watching? Cause oh yeah, okay, so that's cool. I get to tell you a fun fact. The CPU I pulled out, or the picked out, and this GPU, the GPU bottlenecks the CPU by 1%. That is the most perfect pair up, literally ever. That is so cool. You know how perfect that pair up is, right? Yep, there we go. I had it on just for, oh my god, look at that RGB. I don't know why it's on though. Nothing is shorting the on button. Maybe that's just kind of how it is whenever the PSU turns on. Don't boot loop. That's an old, whatever that. Sleek crunch. That's annoying. There we go. I love Nestle. This is cool because my old motherboard didn't have a single RGB header, so we're already, oh my god, this motherboard is so heavy. What the monkey butter? Wow. I can't pick it up by the heat, the CPU. da da da.